Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are as pumped as I am to see this final reveal video. Can't wait for you guys to see it. So let's just get into it. Comment down below what you think. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more, because there's definitely going to be more. So I'll catch you guys on the next video.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And